Thanks for checking into WeatherBug here on this Labor Day Monday. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. Hopefully enjoying your unofficial end to summer. Of course, most of us back to work and school tomorrow. We have a tropical update for you. Some severe weather concerns and locally heavy rain, and then turning much cooler as we head into the middle and end of this upcoming week. But the Pacific is still very active. We actually have Kilo and what's left over from Ignacio. There's Jimena, and of course newly formed Hurricane Linda from over the weekend just on the south side of Mexico. But there's the satellite loop from Hurricane Linda from early Monday morning, and rapidly intensifying to a Category 3 storm before diminishing as it pushes into less favorable and cooler water temperatures there by the upcoming weekend here as it lifts a little farther north and west. Meanwhile, in the Atlantic, we have newly formed Grace. There's the remnants of Fred. You can see that very quickly moving to the north, but Grace is going to be tracking west right through the Atlantic basin here, mainly as a tropical storm. We'll have to watch and see what happens as it makes its way to Lesser Antilles and the East Caribbean or Eastern Caribbean heading into this upcoming weekend. Severe weather concerns today, mainly in the midsection of the nation. Some locally heavy rain, gusty winds, maybe some hail. That boundary sinks a little bit farther south on Tuesday, and then here on Wednesday we have that front shifting from the lower Mississippi Valley into the Ohio Tennessee Valley. Pretty cool, comfortable in its wake, but there will be some spotty showers in there. So that big ridge of very warm weather in the eastern two-thirds of the nation is really starting to come to an end as that wind in the upper levels of the atmosphere comes a little bit more northwesterly, so that'll help to drag down some cooler weather. But again, there's your heaviest rain, especially today and tomorrow over the Midwest, Great Lakes, and also into the southeast. And you can see that very warm dome still in place, but cooler weather is going to be sinking out of Canada over the next several days. You can see those 70s to the far north now. Today in Billings and Minneapolis, but today in D.C. still plenty warm. High temp there right around 90.